Hello and welcome to another tutorial, another video of my project search engine in PHP and MySQL. Till now we have created a basic template, the two files style and index file. Now we have to redirect our page to search.php as we have given the action to this form to search.php. So first of all let's create a file search.php. Starting the PHP block, and then now let's see, when we write something like Facebook, and when we press search we are getting this. Oh, sorry, uh, we are getting this q equals Facebook. Now we have to get this value from the URL to search our database. Similar word like this, and submit equals search. So first of all go to our index page and name is submit. Okay. So first of all let us uh, fetch the q from the URL. So for this we have to make a local variable. You can name it anything like q, as we have named it on our index page. So dollar underscore get to square brackets and q. And now we will, for testing we will echo q variable, and now we will see that it is coming or not. Yes, it is coming right here. We will type anything like random words and press search, then we can see it is coming on the page right here. But we have to make a dynamic website to fetch the result from the database, not from the URL. We are not making it static, we are making it dynamic like other search engines are. Like for example Google, when we type something like Facebook, it fetches result from that database and show it here like this format. So we are going to create like this only. So let's create it. First of all let's create a database. For database, local type localhost backslash php myadmin, and we have to create a search. Oh sorry, we have to create a new database. Okay, so we can name it search project. Create, you can name it anything, search project. Here it is, and the table name will be sites. Column will be the URL, title, ID. First of all ID, URL, then title, uh, then there will be, till for now the three columns are sufficient. So first of all ID, title, URL, and yeah, description of a site. So let's create one more table, and DESC. I'm writing it in a short form, and title will be varchar, URL will be varchar, and description will also be varchar, and the ID will be auto increment, and we set a primary key to an ID, and we give length to a title 255, URL 255, and description 255. Done. We have to save it. Sites. Now, for example, we have to manually we have to insert the data first. Welcome to Facebook. The URL will be http facebook.com. Description will be it is a social networking website. This much is sufficient. And Google URL will be http google.com. It is another search engine. Go, two rows inserted right here. We have to go in our table sites, and here two columns are filled with a search, and when we search like Facebook or Google, we have to fetch the result from the database matching that word from the title. So for that we have to go to our source codes, and here we have to make a query. Dollar query equals MySQL, and sorry, we have to create a connection first of all. So for connection we have to make another file. We have to save it in includes folder, and then we have to make name it db, sorry, connect.php. Done. And for connection it is necessary to open the PHP blocks and then type mysql underscore connect. It needs three parameters. Okay, now localhost on the first parameter. Second parameter will be the username. So in my case it is root, and password is nothing. This is our uh, database information, मतलब, PHP information, and then give we have to select our database. MySQL select underscore db. It needs only one parameter, so we have to put a site database name. It is search project. Now it is connect, sorry, we have make a connection. Now we have to include this file. Include includes folder backslash connect.php. Okay, then we have to make a query, mysql underscore query, saved in a local variable. You can name it anything. I have named it query, $query. So here we have to put select sorry, select everything from the table name. From what is our table name? The table name is sites. So you have to put sites here. Sites where title equals, you have to put this single quotes, and then here we have to put percent sign 2 times, and then in between that we have to put dollar q. That's we are making right here. Dollar q equals dollar underscore get q. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have passed the value of the URL from the database. Sorry. Yeah. One second. Yes, we have done it. Now we have to use a while loop. While dollar row. So we are making a local variable. Row equals mysql underscore fetch underscore array. Then we have to put two brackets, and inside the bracket we have to put a query, dollar query, which we have created above, and in between here we have to fetch the data. Dollar title equals dollar row, two square brackets, and then title. Copy it and paste it here 3 times, because we have 3 tables: title, URL, description. Title, and then we have to put here URL, here also URL, and here will be the description, DESC. Okay, and now just we are just testing. For testing we have to echo everything out. So here will be echo echo and echo. First of all we have to see that everything is coming or not. A, sorry, A, we have to write A. MySQL extension is depreciated, so we have to put one line of code: error underscore reporting, two brackets, 0. Done. So it is my mistake actually. We have to, we have not, we need not to echo this, because we have to make a div tag to make this. First of all we have to copy this all, go the C, sorry, we have to make another div tag, div class equals, one second, let's copy it out and paste it here, and then pass the value here, dollar php echo dollar q, and HackerRahul. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. One second. Mm, we have to remove it from here. Body tag. remove everything from here, and the body is okay. Body, body. We have to make another style file. We have to name it search.css. Let's make it control S. Sorry, in style folder, search.css. Done. Copy it out till the body. Control C. Then okay. It will be white, and let's make it. Yes. As you can see, here is the A we have submitted in the query box. So let's type Facebook. A Facebook. Yeah, we have written A Facebook and it is coming here. Okay. Then we have to just make it make a search box here in search page. So make a div class equals box and then close it, and then we have to make a search box. Okay, so let's first create a box class, style a box class dot box width will be 150 pixels, and height, sorry, width will be 100 pixels, 100%, and height will be 150 pixels. Okay, that's correct. And background color will be background color will be let's choose a color from W3 schools. Let's choose this one. No, we have to choose something dark. Let's choose this. Yes, copy it and paste it here. Let's see it. Writing pay. Yes, it is coming, but we have to remove the margin auto and width. Yes, it is now looking nice, and height will be less, like 100 pixels. Yes, it is looking cool. Let's remove height and make it 90 pixels. Now it is looking cool. Let's change the color, it is too bright. We will make it like we make it skin color. No, yeah, we will make it gray. Gray color is nice. Or we can remain it white. It should remain white. White. And let's see. Yeah. And we should put a HR tag after the box so that sorry we are in HR, yes, HR tag. It is dividing the page, and in between this we have to put a logo logo we have to copy it from here. Control C and insert the PHP. Control V. Okay, so hashtag logo we have to design logo and float equals left and padding top will be 10 pixels, sorry 20 pixels, and padding left will be 30 pixels. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it is coming. Padding top will be only 10 pixels. Yeah, it is coming on center. So you have to make a search bar right here. Search bar we have to put a form again. Let's copy the form codes. Copy right from here and paste it here. Remove the br tag. Put it is floating left, but let's give a form an id. Sorry, it is not given like this, it will be given like this. Form, we have given the form an id and named it form, sorry, and padding top will be. So I think it is a too long video, so I have to pause it and we'll meet in next video. Stay tuned.